What is up, YouTube? Gonna go for a little drive. Low key, I haven't had breakfast and it's already 11 o'clock. That's what we're gonna go do. We're gonna go get some food. I've been driving the BRZ literally every single day since we've lowered it and put the coilovers on, and it feels freaking good. I have to keep adjusting my angle here. Yeah, this is pretty much just gonna be a POV drive. I do want to get some pics of the BRZ, even though it's a little dirty right now. But how have you guys been enjoying the BRZ content? I know it's something that's a lot newer than what I'm used to, obviously, but it's been pretty fun, dude. I can't lie. This car is a lot of fun. Is that another one right there? There's another one right there. Dude, ever since I've owned this car, I have seen so much. It's actually kind of crazy. BCs feel amazing. They feel great. No complaints there. I still have to give me an alignment, but I mean, it's not super crazy. So you guys can see right here, it's not bad at all. I need a louder exhaust though. I got noise coming out of it, but I need more noise. But yeah, as you guys can tell, since we've been modding the BRZ, oh my god. Since we've been modding the BRZ, I have been trying to upload more for you guys. Ooh, little poppy pops right there. I want to be able to provide you guys with content more this year. So that's the biggest goal. More content for y'all. Whether it's installs, vlogging, POV drives. I mean, literally anything. I want to give you guys some content, man. You guys deserve it. A lot of you guys been here since the beginning. Some of you guys have been here since the 10th gen days, the Type R days, the 8th gen SI, boosted SI days. And yeah, you guys deserve some content. Hope you guys are still rocking with me. I know I've been pretty inconsistent for the past few years, maybe the last 2 years now. Just trying to get back into it, man, slowly but surely. But I think this BRZ's brought more life to me. I actually have some dope from building this car, so I mean, I'm just looking at stuff. I was looking at wheels yesterday, trying to figure out what wheels I want to get for this car. I mean, dude, it's a plethora of things I'm looking at. I already know what lip I want, what side skirts I want. It's gonna be fire. But in order to do that, you guys gotta keep liking the videos, man. Ooh, little poppy. You guys gotta keep liking the videos. Hey. Liking the videos goes a long way, man. Push your boy into that algorithm. Just help me. And if you guys are brand new here and you guys want to see BRZ content, subscribe. We're on a road to 10K this year, which I think is definitely doable if I just stick my mind to it. I know the first 2 months have been rocky, but it's only because we were trying to sell the Civic and I really didn't want to build this car until that car was completely gone. And as you guys can tell, it's gone already. Oh shoot. Oh, I don't know what I just scraped. Oh fuck, I scraped something hard. Holy fuck. Oh my god. I don't know what that was, but that was hard. Oh man, I gotta check that out. God dang it, dude. Favorite spot, brother. Dang, dude, what do you think that was? No way that was this, right? Oh, maybe. I'll show you how to take pictures. Open it up, aspect 60x9, flip it around, and you do one of these. Dude, this car looks insane. This car's literally giving me so much more dope. The rear I just love. I love the rear end on this car. But yeah, what wheels should you guys think I should get? Sticking TEs, Workmeisters. There's a lot of things I'm thinking of. Alright, that should be good. This is a very loud car sometimes. But you guys know me, we need louder. And I can promise you guys, I'm like 99% sure this car was louder than the Civic. This is the life I don't miss though. Ooh, maybe a couple pics right here. I do want to lower this thing a little bit more too. I've always envisioned, one of the two, this car to be pretty low, and that's what I'm gonna do. So obviously I wish I was on bags, but we're not. I'm not dropping 5 G's on bags or however much it costs now. So we're just gonna go static for the meantime. I know what kind of wheels I'm looking at, the specs I'm looking at, all that kind of stuff. So I'm pretty much set on everything that I need to get for this car. I'm just pretty much just waiting. I do want to start going out to meets a lot more, so if you guys are based in SoCal and you guys want to meet up, you just let me know, bro. I'm down. Literally, I'm down to go to meet new people, especially learn about this platform, because it's a lot different than what I'm used to. Like, this thing is literally easy to build. It feels like a Legos at this point on some of the stuff that I've already done. I know the motor might be a little complicated, but still want to learn about this thing. Like, I didn't know. I thought this car compared to the GR was same but different. No, it's different, because the suspension on this car, or I think it was the suspension, is actually stiffer than the GR, which is softer, and it's the same as the previous generation. I thought it was literally same, apples to apples. It's more like apples and bananas. You know what I mean? But yeah, this car just feels so good, man. I'm super excited to build this thing. Hey, hope you guys can hear that on camera. Let's see if I can roll the window down. Hey, just wish I was catless, of course. Oh no, my BRZ friend's leaving. But yeah, I'm also trying to stream on Twitch too, so if you guys are watching this and you guys want to see more of me, I'm also on Twitch. I'm trying to stream every day that I don't upload or I'm not recording, because pretty much I upload and record not the same day. Normally I'll record something, and if it's not as long as I want it to be, I'll try to, bring it into the next day or something like that. So there might be 2 filming days. It might be like filming day, off day, filming day, whatever it is. I'm trying to stream a lot more, hang out with y'all, build my community more. So if you guys want to hang out with me some more, it'll be the link down in the description. It'll say Twitch on it. Come through, say what's up, follow your boy. We're trying to grow on every platform, man. But first off, we gotta get some coffee. Some coffee to start the day. Your boy just got some food. That's the same Lexus I was past earlier. Got me breakfast burrito, got my coffee with me. Life is good, you know what I mean? But we're gonna head home now. Actually, oh my god, I think I'm gonna make the coils a little bit softer in terms of the dampening part, because I did have it all the way turned up, because I probably was thinking I was gonna need it, but I don't really think that I do. So I'm actually gonna make those a little bit softer, but this car rides pretty good. I mean, for being as low as it is, this is definitely the lowest car that I've ever had, I think. Obviously I still do want to go lower. I just think the center of gravity on this car is just low in general, but yeah, I still need more low. Oh, and definitely want it to be louder. Well, let me know what you guys want to see for the BRZ, man. If there's anything I should do, any videos I should make. Ooh. Any meets that are going on, dude, literally anything, just let me know. But I am going to end the video here as I'm driving home to eat my burrito, because I am starving right now. And then later on we should be going to the gym. I've been hitting the gym too, playing some pickleball. Low-key, pickleball has been pretty fun, can't lie to you. But yeah, I'll catch y'all in the next one. So give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you guys are brand new here. I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.